Hi everyone, let's install TeamViewer. Search for Install TeamViewer. Download the latest version of TeamViewer for Windows. Select Windows. Scroll down. TeamViewer Full Client. For my PC 64-bit, so I selected 64-bit. If your PC 32, you can select this one. Click this one. My download have started. But I already downloaded this file. I don't wait to this one, so I cancel this one and go to downloads. Okay, this one, right click, run as administrator. Yes, select default installation, accept. Good. You see now I have the TeamViewer shortcut. Double click on it. You just have to give your ID and your password to your friend to remote your PC. That's all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.